Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use AI Select for Smart Screenshot on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. Let's go! Okay guys, so it's very easy. All you need to do is you need to go to settings, then you scroll down to display, and you scroll down again in display to edge panels which are here. Then you need to make sure it's on. As I show you, it needs to be blue. If it's gray, it's off. So tap it and it's blue and it's on. Okay, then you have this here. This is an edge panel. You just need to swipe left here. Oh. Or if it's at the right side, you just need to swipe right, yes. But I have it on left side, so here. Then you press select, AI Select, and you tap or draw around something you want to select. For example, let me draw around here, as you can see. Then you click this and it saves a screenshot. It's saved in gallery, as you can see here, or if you don't have it saved in gallery, you need to find an app called My Files. It's this yellow app. You click it, then you go to internal storage. Then in my case, you go to DCIM and you go to screenshots, and you have it. You have here you have all your screenshots, but the one I took before is, oh sorry, not here but here. Okay guys, thank you for watching, have a good day and goodbye.